Because shirk started to occur. People started worshipping other than Allah. But look, how does the story go? We mentioned just before Nuh alayhi salam's people, there were 5 righteous men. What were their names? Wad, Suwa', Yaghuth, Ya'uq, Nasr. They are the 5 idols that are mentioned in Surah Nuh. These 5 things, they were idols afterwards, but there were 5 righteous men. They used to worship Allah, stay away from sins. They were what we would call righteous people. Now these 5 righteous men, once they passed away, the community, the society said, so that we remember these 5 righteous men, what should we do? Let's make idols and let's hold them upright in the gatherings of knowledge. What did they say? Just for us to remember them. Bes. That first generation, they didn't worship these 5 idols.